Welcome to another Khan Academy tutorial. This is multiply difference of squares. We're going to keep this under 5 minutes, so keep up. Here we go. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show that we need to distribute here, FOIL, whatever you want to call it. We're going to multiply both of these things. So let me show the red. First, we're going to do x times x, and that's x squared minus 5x, and then plus 5x, and then minus 25. Okay, this, if you are lost in what I'm doing, make sure you check out some other videos, but essentially I'm just distributing here. I'm multiplying every combination of these factors because the parentheses indicate that these are two factors multiplied together. So I distribute. Okay, what you notice here is these two terms, normally they combine. This time they eliminate. Negative 5x plus 5x gives you 0, so you are left with x squared minus 25. That's why it's called difference of squares. Both this is a square and that is a square, and it's the difference, subtraction. So this is going to be x squared minus 25. And that's going to be the general format. So what we can do here, the general format, again, we could FOIL out everything, or we could just recognize that it's the same thing written twice. It's the same thing written twice. The only difference is one is plus, one is minus. So if that's the case, we're going to square the blue one, the first term, and then we're going to subtract, and then we're going to square the second one. So that's 7. Squared. So we should get 9x squared minus 49, and that's going to be our answer. Instead of foiling it all out, that's what we're going to do. This is the format for difference of squares. So 9x squared minus 49, and that should give us our correct result. Boom! What do you know? Here we go, same deal. We're going to square our first term, 49. We're going to square our second term, x squared. We're going to put a subtraction sign in between because it's the exact same thing written twice. The only difference is one is plus, one is minus. Check it. Here we go. It's going to be under 3 minutes. Okay, same deal. We have the 3 plus 4x, 3 minus 4x. Same thing written twice. The only difference is there's a subtraction sign and a plus sign, two different signs. So we're going to write 9. 3 squared is 9. Minus 4x squared is going to give us 16. Square the 4. Square the x. 16x squared. Money. Here we go. 100%. Where is it? Loading. There it is. Hope you guys hear this sound. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need more like it, let me know. Leave a comment. Can't wait for you guys to watch some more. Check out some of my other videos, and thanks for watching.